Hey, haven't we been here before? Just in case this is the first time you're with us, this is Tony with Wrecked Ventures. I'm getting ready to head down to COPART to pick myself up a new vehicle that I want. First, I'm here at the bank to pick myself up a cashier's check, because as you've already seen or will see, it'll save you about $50 or $60 at least in the price range I want my vehicle at, instead of using my debit card. Now, however, if you don't have cashier's check or your bank doesn't offer that option, or it just costs too much money, head down to the gas station or even Walmart, pick yourselves up money order. You'll save the same amount of money. Now, I'm going to get this money. I'll head down to COPART. See you there. All right, so we've made it here to COPART, you guys. Now I just got to go run inside, give them this little cashier's check. Comes out to, what is that? About $1,387. It was a couple pennies less than that, and whenever you end up overpaying just like a few cents, they end up actually adding it to your account and you can use it later. I mean, what's a few pennies? So let me go in and fill out the title paperwork for my truck, and it'll get dropped off right down there where we'll be waiting, and we'll get ourselves a new truck. See you in a sec. All right, we're back out of COPART. We got ourselves the title. Let's go down to the loading zone and pick up the truck. Once I find my keys. This is the area where they drop off the cars with that forklift. They usually ask you what you're driving, that way they can drop it off within the close vicinity of the vehicle you came in with. And all we have to do is wait. It'll take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes or so. So let's get outside and watch it come. All right, guys, we see the gate opening. There's a really good opportunity to see our truck coming. Hopefully it's ours. Oh, it is. Let's zoom in on her. Here it comes. So if they don't drop it. Hell yeah. Alright. Here she is. I did not remember this being broken. Weird. Well, I'm sure it was. Anthony was right about the flat tire. That's all right. Let's hope it still turns over because I forgot my jumper cables. All right, let's see if it still starts. Oh, we hear beeps. All right, we're good to go. Well, let me get ready to put some air in this tire, hopefully, and see if we can get this truck on out of here. You guys like the little truck? Bought this from COPART. Always be prepared to bring some tools with you guys. We're gonna try to hook this up. Hopefully the tire holds air. The picture showed it with air, so I can't imagine why it wouldn't. I mean, things happen. Alright, all you need to do is plug it in. Alright, let's see, where's the cigarette lighter? Oh, look at that hidden up in there. Alright, hope it works. It's not. Just a little adjusting. We are in luck. The fuse does seem to be still attached, and it'll slowly fill up with just enough air for us to get the truck out of here. Oh! I now realize that my mirror's missing. I'm gonna blame the forklift driver. Let's check over the damage real quick. A little dent right there. A little dent right there. The fender seems to have a bit of a little dent itself. But after you get some air in this tire, they really don't let you work on any cars here in this drop zone for one reason or another. So after I get this air inside, which one of the few things they'll let you do, I'll drive this down to a dirt lot nearby and give it a good look and see what else we need for this thing. Alright, we give some time for this, so that's going to take a little while to pump up, and we'll get back with you.
Yeah, I told you.
God forbid the bolts might pattern.
No! Oh God, that would be a nightmare. Tony, don't say that. Right there.
There's no way the bolt pattern is off. It's the same exact rim. Let me see this real quick.
Told you it looked smaller. It's bigger.
Before backup plan. You still recording this nightmare?
Yeah.
Lesson learned, make sure the rim patterns are somehow lined up. Now we're out here late as hell with the wrong tires. Lucky we could get a refund. For credit, what we're gonna do for our backup plan is we're gonna bring the tire we got to the gas station right down the road and see if the tires fill up. Because as far as the pictures were concerned, all the tires had air. It's to my surprise later on that they don't.
All right, we're here at the gas station.
Pray the tire pumps up with air. It should hold air. We embarrassingly have to try this out. Fortunately, the gas station's literally like 200 yards from COPART. So let's. I'm not even bring this off. I don't see any reason to.
Yeah.
Thank you, COVID, for preventing us from using quarters. As you can see, other people have not been so happy the quarter part is blocked off.
Damn.
I myself have been in that situation. So cards only at this point. Let me establishing cell connection. Don't tell me this isn't gonna work at all. Come on.
Air 13 on it.
This is why someone tried to dig at the quarters right here.
It was probably you 20 minutes ago.
I got a sledgehammer in the back of my truck for a reason. Dude. Oh wait, the light turned off. I didn't break it more. Come on, is this really happening? Let's say this tire is completely flat pressed here. That's interesting.
The light came back on.
Oh!
Is it working?
We fixed it.
We fixed it.
Take the card.
Go get it. Come on, slide it. Try sliding it. What's this saying?
A bunch of weird ass numbers.
They just charged you $1 million.
Oh, right? Oh my God. You know, I'll have an interesting phone call. Establishing cell connection. Thank you, stars, for aligning to mess up everything further.
It'll be okay, I promise. Stay positive.
I'm not that mad about it.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Wrecked Ventures. If you liked what you saw, make sure you leave a thumbs up and comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next episode of Wrecked Ventures. Thanks for watching. A throat punch.